Never underestimate the value of small savings. 2. Always think twice before buying. 3. Make tracking your expenses a habit. 4. Avoid spending money on things to impress others. 5. Do not ignore budgeting. 6. Learn the art of negotiating. 7. Learn the basics of investing wisely. 8. Avoid falling for get-rich-quick schemes. 9. Make saving money a non-negotiable routine. 10. Avoid lifestyle inflation. 11. Learn to distinguish between needs and wants. 12. Always have an emergency fund. 13. Give every dollar a mission to grow and multiply. 14. Avoid putting all your saving in one basket. 15. Understand your money works. Thank you for reading.